This is a 1-scoop order for Joahna. She likes Badtz-Maru and Hangyodon. Her favorite color is purple. Three canvas bags. One file folder. Two notebooks. Plus one more. 3 pens. Let's add this blind box pen. 1 mechanical pencil. 1 tape. 2 memo pads. 1 more. 1 bookmark. 1 more. 1 sticky note. Plus 3 more. 1 scenery sticker. Plus 1 more. 1 mini charm. Plus 3 more. 1 plush charm. Plus 1 more. 1 plush pencil bag. 1 mouse pad. Oops, I missed a mini charm bead. Let's exchange it for these handmade badges. I love noodles too. One bricks. 1 bracelet. Let's exchange it for this headband. 1 wallet. I don't have very much Badtz-Maru, so let's add these stickers. Okay, Joahna, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything. Thank you so much.